scales spinning. There's no beginning. Shifting plates under the sky. Tectonic high. Pangy, pangolin. Oh, pangy, pangy, pangolin. See where my scales spinning. Oh, pangy, pangy, pangolin. Oh, pangy, pangy, pangolin. Oh, pangy, pangy, pangolin. See where my scales spinning. Pangy, pangolin. Oh, pangy, 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 pangolin. Pangy, 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 pangolin. Beautiful arboreal bird now.
Hang on, my friend.
Hoot, 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 hoot. Hush. There's a creek in the forest bed. Swoosh. I just took off its head. Whoosh. Back up to a tree house. Hush. Wide-eyed in the hollow home. You can see me, I can see. You can't see me, I can see. You can't see me, I can see. You can't see me. Hush. There's a creek in the forest bed. Swoosh. I just took off its head. Whoosh. Back into a tree house. Hush. Wide-eyed in the hollow home. You can see me, I can see. You can see me, I can see. You can see me, you can see me. You can see me. Hey Al, you can call me Al. Al. Ooh, another bird. Quite a different bird.
Pangy. A pangy and a pangy.
Wobbling and a-watching as I walk through the snow. Feel the water calling me through the icy flow. I can feel the cold tingles through my claws. Go into the water, hear my pinky calls. And as I dive into the shallows, deep around below, my friends are all beside me through the undertow. Beware of the leprosy hiding in the shallows. You can't take me, hear my pangy fellows. Deeper as I go, feel the undertow. My friends beside me, feel the icy flow. Oh, my friends, beware in the shallows. You can't hear me, hear my pangy fellows.